Hello you guys, welcome back. It's Jack Dugan with another YouTube video. So I'm doing a business raid, right? And so the trouble is that I can't find the helicopter for this business raid. I'm looking everywhere and I can't find it. Like, it says so right there on the mini map that it's right in front of me, but it's not. And I'm standing right out there, or right out here, and like there's no helicopters. I've looked above me. Can't seem to find it. It looks like I'm gonna fail this business raid for no reason, because it says take out the enemies, and if you look here on the screen, it says one enemy remaining, and that's the helicopter. So if you take a look on this mini map, you'll see that the helicopter is supposed to be right over my head, and it's not. Like, I can't find it anywhere. It's literally not even over my head. So I'm really confused. I don't know what to do. People are probably gonna try and kill me right now. It's kill or be killed, really. So, yeah, I guess I'm just gonna fail this mission because I'm gonna run out of time, and yeah, gonna have to restart the business because of this glitch. It's really stupid. I can't believe this is happening to me right now. It's supposed to be a business raid, so if you guys could please report this to Rockstar, that'd be great. There's a bug in the system or something. Yeah, I really don't know what's going on. It says that there's an enemy on the screen, and there's not. You can clearly see that there isn't. Hopefully, since this video is going to be online right now, everyone can see that this is happening, and maybe it's not just me. You know, I'm sure that there's possibly other players that are dealing with this right now. This helicopter glitch. But, you know, if not, if it's just me, I guess you don't really need to report it to Rockstar, but it would be really nice. Yeah, so I blew up all of the other enemies for this business raid. My cocaine business got raided. I blew everyone up in my Oppressor Mark II. Hold on. And this guy's probably trying to blow me up. Yeah, so as you can see, I have missiles on the Oppressor Mark II. And, you know, to even further show you guys that there's no helicopter here, I'm going to try and lock on to anything else in the vicinity of the area. And you can see that I am not locking on to any helicopter. There's no helicopter on the screen, except on the mini-map. It doesn't exist. I'm so confused right now as to where it could be. I really wish that there was a way around this. I really wish that Rockstar would do something else besides business raids. Like, I really wish that you could leave the game and not have your stuff stolen. because that's what happens if you leave the game. It doesn't happen with selling supplies, though. If you leave the game, someone's destroyed your stuff. You get your supplies back, but you don't do that. Yeah, so as you can see, I am locking onto something else, and no helicopter. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed watching my humiliation with having to deal with my supplies being taken away from me by Rockstar and their glitch. So anyway, guys, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see more videos like this, and peace out.